In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move from a Siteground temporary domain to your main site domain in Siteground. By the end, your main domain will load the same website you've been building on your temporary Siteground address using Siteground's parked domain feature. Start by signing into your Siteground account. Once you're in, head to the websites section. This is where all your sites live, including the one currently running on a temporary domain. Find the site you've been working on and open its Site Tools. Site Tools is your control panel for everything related to that site, from files and email to, in this case, domain management. Inside Site Tools, look to the left-hand sidebar for the domain section. Click it to reveal the domain-related options. From there, choose Parked Domains. A parked domain is a clean way to have your main domain display the exact same content as your temporary site without moving files or changing your application settings. It's especially handy when your site is ready to go live and you simply want your real domain to point to the same place. On the Parked Domains page, you'll see a field where you can add a new domain. Type your main domain name exactly as it is, for example, example.com, without HTTPS or any extra paths. Take a brief moment to double check your spelling. Even a small typo will prevent it from working as expected. When you're confident it's correct, click the Add button to confirm. After you add it, SiteGround links that domain to the site that's currently on your temporary address. This doesn't move or duplicate any files, it just tells the server to serve the same site when someone visits your main domain. If you ever need to remove it or adjust it later, you can come back to the same parked domain screen. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you see an error when adding the domain, make sure the domain is valid and entered correctly. Also, keep in mind that changes related to domains can sometimes take a little time to reflect everywhere, so give it a short while before checking from multiple devices. Caching in your browser can also make the old version linger. Opening a private window can help you see the latest result. That's it. You logged into SiteGround, opened websites, went into Site Tools for your temporary site, navigated to domain, selected Park Domains, entered your main domain, and clicked Add. Your main domain should now serve the same content as your temporary one, making your site accessible at the address your visitors expect.